Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this AUVON touchscreen dual channel TENS EMS unit. It's called muscle stimulator machine for pain relief with 24 modes, 2 times the battery life, continuous time setting, dust proof bag, and a lot of many more things. So it's not a real unboxing, but I'm going to show you everything what you get and how to use. This is the box, and here we have the model number AS8019. Of course it works for worldwide current. I mean, it's not using 110 or 240 volts, it's using USB power. So it comes with this nice USB charging cable. We can just use like normal power bank, and you can see then it's charging. Takes about 3 to 4 hours. During this time while it's charging we cannot use it, but the good thing is when it's full it lasts for a very long time. I think about 40 hours or so. That's really nice. We get also this carry bag. We get 2 sets of intermediate size pads. We get even 1 large size pads, and so in total we get 8 of these intermediate size pads, so you can easily share this with your friend or partner or something like that, and everybody has its clean own set. Then we get 2 cables here because it's dual channel, one for the left side, one for the right side. And then we get this user manual. I'm not going to show you everything, but I highly recommend to read everything very clearly, because there are mainly 2 things which you have to be aware of. You shouldn't use it at certain times, like when you're pregnant or so, and you shouldn't use that on every place on your body. So for example, don't use it around your heart area, or don't use it on your head, these things. But other than that, it's very easy to use. When we have it charged, we unplug it, we long press, turn it on, and it looks really nice. It has somehow this iPod touch design, really nice, even very shiny here on the back. We have the plus and the minus regarding the intensity. Other than that, we can choose the modes here just by tapping on it. Again, we have a dual channel, but it doesn't mean 2 different modes. You have to choose one mode, and this mode will then be active for both of the channels, but you can adjust the intensity for both of the channels individually. There's a really nice background illumination. If you need it again, you can press this button here again, and so we can choose from these 4 main TENS functions or these 2 main EMS muscle stimulator functions. And when we have chosen that, we can tap again and then cycle within this area. So we have 4 programs here, then we have 4 programs here, we have 4 programs here, 4 programs here, and so on and so on. And again, these are for pain relief, and these 2 are more for muscle stimulation. What I highly recommend, before you start, connect the pads with the wire here, because sometimes it's really difficult to do that after that. And now we put the pads on the skin. It's not necessarily that you shave your arm, but make sure that it's clean, free from oil or grease or sweat, these things. So for example, we stick one on the top and the other one underneath here. And then before you plug it in, make sure that it's on a minimal setting or even off, like here. Every time when you switch the program, the power goes to 0. But even when you have it unplugged, you can still increase the volume, the power. And when you would plug it in here, it would be on a very intense level, so make sure that you have it turned off or on a very low level, like something like that. And then we can plug it in, and then we slowly increase the intensity. Again, this is A, this is B, so now we are on the A. If you would have also the B plugged in, you would have to push here, and then you can change the settings. You can see that here, but now we have the A. We hit the A again and we start increasing, and we can see, yeah, it's okay, it's doing quite something here. I stopped this again here in the video because it's really strong, I can tell you. So this really works. It's very beautiful, it's easy to use, powerful, very convenient with all these nice functions, touchscreen. Yeah, from my side, full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.